I am Rajesh, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, Vigyan Sunirla Institute of Technology and Science for Women. In this lecture, I am going to explain about interconnection of two-port networks. So there are 5 ways of interconnection of two-port networks. Means if you have two-port networks, they can be interconnected in these 5 ways. So what are the 5 ways? Means in the first way, it is the cascade connection, means cascade connection of two-port networks. In the second, it is parallel connection, means parallel connection of two-port networks. Third thing is series connection of two-port networks. Fourth one is series parallel connection of two-port networks. And the fifth one is parallel series connection, means parallel series connection of two-port networks. Let us see the first one, cascade connection. What do you mean by this cascade connection? Cascade connection means the output of, if you take up two-port networks, the output of first two-port network should be connected to the input of the second two-port network. I repeat, cascade connection means the output of the first two-port network should be connected to the input of the second two-port network. In the same way, if you have the third two-port network, the output of second two-port network should be connected to the input of third two-port network. In that way, the chain goes on. So here we are having two-port networks, network A, NA, network B, NB. The output of first two-port network NA is connected to the input of second two-port network NB. And here the variables are port 1 parameters of two-port network A are V1A, I1A, port 1 voltage, port 1 current, and port 2 variables are V2A and I2A for network A. And for network B, the port 1 variables are V1B, I1B, port 1 voltage and port 1 current, and for network B, the port 2 variables are V2B and I2B, port 2 voltage and port 2 current. And for the overall cascaded two-port network, the input variables are port 1 voltage V1, port 1 current I1, and the port 2 voltage is V2 and port 2 current is I2. In the analysis of cascade connection of two-port networks, we need to use the ABCD parameters into consideration for the analysis. Further, we are taking the ABCD parametric equations for network A and network B. So for network A, by writing the ABCD parametric equations in matrix form, V1A, I1A, port 1 voltage, port 1 current of network A in terms of port 2 voltage and port 2 currents of network A can be written as V1A, I1A equals to AA, BA, CA, DA, which are the ABCD parameters of network A, into V2A minus I2A. In the same way, by writing the ABCD parametric equations in matrix form for the network B, then V1B, I1B can be written as AB, VB, CB, DB into V2B minus I2B. Now, these are the set of equations. Now, from the figure, we can write some relations like V1 is nothing but V1A and I1 is nothing but I1A. See the figure. In the figure, V1 is nothing but V1A, I1 is nothing but I1A, and your V2A is nothing but V1B, and minus I2A is nothing but I1B. See the figure. V2A is nothing but V1B, V2A is nothing but V1B, and I2A is nothing but minus I1B, as both are in opposite directions. And V2B is nothing but V2 and minus I2B is nothing but I2. See here, V2B is nothing but V2. See the figure, V2 is equivalent to V2B and I2B equals to I2. Means minus I2B equals to minus I2. So by putting all these relations in the above set of equations, then we can get V1, I1, overall port 1 voltage and port 1 current for the cascaded two-port network as V1, I1 equals to AA, BA, CA, DA into AB, BB, CB, DB into V2 minus I2. Now, we can take that multiplication of two matrices as A, B, C, D, then V1, I1 equals to A, B, C, D into V2 minus I2. Where A, B, C, D matrix can be obtained by multiplying those two matrices of AA, BA, CA, DA and AB, BB, CB, DB. In this way, here A, B, C, D are the ABCD parameters for the overall cascaded two-port network. So which can be obtained by multiplying the ABCD parametric matrices of individual two-port networks. Means AA, BA, CA, DA is the ABCD parametric matrix for network A. AB, BB, CB, DB is the ABCD parametric matrix for network B. By multiplying these two matrices, we can get the ABCD values, which are nothing but the ABCD parameters for the overall cascaded two-port network. So this is the conclusion point. Next one is parallel connection. Now how to connect two two-port networks in parallel? See here in the figure we are having two-port network NA and two-port network NB, which are having input port terminals and output port terminals. The input port variables for network A are V1A, I1A, and output port variables for network A are V2A and I2A. Same way for network NB, input port variables are V1B, I1B, output port variables are V2B, I2B. Now how to connect these two two-port networks in parallel means, the first terminal of port 1 of network A should be connected to the first terminal of port 1 of network B. I repeat, the first terminal of port 1 of network A should be connected to the first terminal of port 1 of network B. In a similar manner, the second terminal of port 1 of network A should be connected to the second terminal of port 1 of network B. In this way, the input port should be connected in parallel. In the same way, the output port should also be connected in parallel. How to connect output ports in parallel? See the figure. The first terminal of port 2 of network A should be connected to the first terminal of port 2 of network B. In the same way, the second terminal of port 2 of network A should be connected to the second terminal of port 2 of network B. So in this way, by connecting both input ports in parallel and output ports in parallel, we can get the parallel connection of two two-port networks. And for the overall parallel connected two-port networks, the port 1 variables are V1, I1, and port 2 variables are V2, I2. And in the analysis of parallel connected two-port networks, we will use the Y parameters for the analysis. That is why we are taking the Y parametric equations for the analysis. The Y parametric equations for network A are I1A, I2A in terms of V1A and V2A are I1A equals to Y11A V1A plus Y12A V2A, and I2A equals to Y21A V1A plus Y22A V2A. And in the same way, Y parametric equations for network B are I1B equals to Y11B V1B plus Y12B V2B, and I2B equals to I2B, yes, it is I2B, it is not I2A. I2B equals to Y21B plus Y21B V1B plus Y22B V2B. So these are the set of equations, Y parametric equations for network A and network B. And from the figure, now in the next step we need to write the relations. So what are the relations that can be written in from the figure? From the figure, V1 equals to V1A equals to V1B. See the figure, V1 equals to nothing but V1A equals to nothing but V1B, and from the figure, V2 equals to V2B equals to V2B. See, from 4 to we can write V2 equals to V2B equals to V2A, and you can also write I1 equals to I1A plus I1B. See, from the figure we can write by applying KCL at port 1, I1 equals to I1A plus I1B. Similarly, by applying KCL at port 2, I2 can be written as I2 equals to I2A plus I2B. So these are the relations that can be written from the figure. Now by putting these relations in the above set of equations, and after putting and adding those set of equations, we will get I1 as Y11A plus Y11B into V1 plus Y12A plus Y12B into V2, and I2 equals to Y21A plus Y21B into V1 and plus Y22A plus Y22B into V2. Now on overall we can write it as I1 equals to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, and I2 equals to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2, where Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22 are the Y parameters of the overall parallel connected two-port network. So that Y11 equals to sum of the Y parameters of the network A and network B. So Y11 equals to Y11A plus Y11B, Y12 equals to Y12A plus Y12B, Y21 equals to Y21A plus Y21B, and Y22 equals to Y22A plus Y22B. In this way, the Y parameters of admittance parameters of parallel connected two-port networks can be obtained by adding the Y parameters of the individual two-port networks. Next, let us see the series connection. How to connect two-port networks in series means, see there, we have taken two-port networks, network NA, network NB, whose variables are V1A, I1A for port 1 of network A, V2A, I2A for port 2 of network A, V1B, I1B for port 1 of network B, V2B, I2B for port 2 of network B. Now how to connect these two-port networks in series means the second terminal of port 1 of network A should be connected to the first terminal of network port 1 of network B. I repeat, the second terminal of port 1 of network A should be connected to the first terminal of port 1 of network B. In the same way, the output should also be connected in series, means the second terminal of port 2 of network A should be connected to the first terminal of port 2 of network B. Likewise, we need to connect input ports in series and output ports also in series. Now for the overall series connected two-port networks, that input port variables are V1, I1 and the output port variables are V2, I2. In the analysis of series connected two-port networks, we need to use the Z parameters for the analysis. So that's why by writing the Z parametric equations for network A, so V1A equals to Z11A I1A plus Z12A I2A and V2A equals to Z21A I1A plus Z22A I2A. And in the same way, Z parametric equations for network B are V1B equals to Z11B I1B plus Z12B I2B and V2B equals to Z21B I1B plus Z22B I2B. So these are the set of equations, and in the next step we need to write the relations from the figure. If you see the figure, from the figure we can write I1 equals to I1A equals to I1B and I2 equals to I2A equals to I2B. See the figure. I1 is nothing but I1A is nothing but I1B. Same current is flowing through entire series branch at the input port, and at the output port you can see the relation between I2 and I2A and I2B. I2 equals to I2B, I2A equals to I2B. Same current is flowing through entire series branch, and at the input port you can see that V1 equals to V1A plus V1B, and at the output port you can write V2 equals to V2A plus V2B. So by putting those relations in that above set of equations and adding them gives V1 equals to V1A plus V1B equals to Z11A plus Z11B into I1 plus Z12A plus Z12B into I2, and V2 equals to V2A plus V2B equals to Z21A plus Z21B into I1 plus Z22A plus Z22B into I2. By writing those in matrix form, V1 by writing the above equations in matrix form gives V1, V2 equals to Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22 into I1, I2, where Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22 are the Z parameters of the entire series connected two-port networks, which can be obtained by adding the Z parameters of the individual two-port networks. Like see there, Z11 equals to Z11A plus Z11B, Z12 equals to Z12A plus Z12B, Z21 equals to Z21A plus Z21B, Z22 equals to Z22A plus Z22B. Like that, Z equals to ZA plus ZB. Next one is series parallel connection. As explained before, series parallel connection means here the input port should be connected in series, the output port should be connected in parallel. See the figure. Two two-port networks are taken, NA and B. Here the input ports are connected in series and the output ports are connected in parallel. In case of series parallel connection, we need to take the H parameters for the analysis. That's why first we need to write the H parametric equations for network A, H parametric equations for network B. After writing that, we need to write the relations from the figure. What are the relations here that can be drawn from the figure? I1 equals to I1A equals to I1B. See the figure at the port 1, we can write I1 equals to I1A equals to I1B, and V1 equals to V1A plus V1B from the port 1, and I2 equals to I2A plus I2B from port 2, and V2 equals to V2A equals to V2B from port 2. By putting these relations in the H parametric equations of network A and network B, and by simplifying that gives H equals to HA plus HP. That means the H parameters of overall series parallel connected two-port networks can be obtained by adding the H parameters of the individual two-port networks. And the last connection is parallel series connection. In this, two-port networks are taken, NA and B. Here parallel series connection means the input port should be connected in parallel and the output port should be connected in series. The input ports should be connected in parallel means see there, first terminal of port 1 of network A is connected to first pin of port 1 of network B, and second pin of port 1 of network A is connected to second pin of port 1 of network B. Likewise, outputs are connected in series input ports are connected in parallel, output ports are connected in series. In series means second pin of port 2 of network A is connected to first pin of port 2 of network B. In this way, input ports are connected in parallel and output ports are connected in series. For the overall parallel series connected two port networks, the input variables are V1, I1 and the output port variables are V2 and I2. For this parallel series connected two port networks, we need to take the Z parameters for the analysis. That's why in the first step, we need to write the Z parametric equations for the network A and the Z parametric equations for the network B. After that, we need to write the relations that can be written from the figure. So here, what are the relations that can be written from the figure? See there, at the port 1, I1 equals to I1A plus I1B. By applying KCL at port 1, we can write that. And V1 equals to V1A equals to V1B. And at port 2, you can write I2 equals to I2A equals to I2B and V2 equals to V2A plus V2B. These are the relations that can be written from the figure. By putting all these relations in the Z parametric equations of network A and network B, and by adding those set of equations, we can get this relation which is G equal to GA plus ZB. G equal to GA plus ZB means the Z parameters of overall parallel series connected two port networks can be obtained by adding the individual G parameters of the individual two port networks. This is the conclusion point for this parallel series connection. Next, consider the network here. This is the network given R1, R2, R1, R2. Two identical sections are connected in cascade. Port 1 variables are V1, I1. Port 2 variables are V2, I2. You are asked to find V2 by I1. Here I2 is given as 0. If you see here, two identical sections are connected in cascade. So let us use the ABCD parametric matrix into consideration. Here, by using ABCD parametric relations, V1, I1, port 1 voltage, port 1 current in terms of V2, I2 can be written as multiplication of ABCD matrix of that first section and ABCD matrix of that second section of R1, R2. So by multiplying those two matrices, see here, we can get this V1, I1 equals to ABCD matrix of first section into ABCD matrix of second section into V2 minus I2. That means, already told you, if two port networks are connected in cascade, the ABCD matrix of overall cascade connection can be obtained by multiplying the ABCD parametric matrices of individual two port networks. That likewise, here we can multiply that ABCD matrices of two port networks, and from the above equation we can write V1 which is equals to R1 plus R2 by R2 whole square plus R1 by R2 into V2 plus R1 plus R2 by R2 into R1 plus R1 into minus I2. Here they have given that in the figure I2 is given as 0. By putting I2 0, we can write V1 by V2 as R2 square by R1 square plus 3 R1 R2 into R2 square. Thank you.